I'm gonna go rolling tricep extensions, eccentric emphasis. So back overhead, eccentric lower, roll it, press it. But I really want to max out the stretch. Make them as even as they can on the way down. Upper back touch, roll it. Oh yeah, they actually feel much better after rolling those triceps. First set of triceps today, I felt a little bit of stiffness around the elbow, that's gone. So during the workout, I literally improved my tissue quality while at the same time of destroying my tissue. It's a dichotomy, they call it. I can literally taste the muscle damage right now. Let's work through the rest. Or should we? Yeah. Okay, so last set. Last set, best set. Lannister always finishes his sets. Okay. Wow, big mistake. I knocked the rest in. I'm gonna have to alternate from the bottom. Inhale down. Exhale up. Stay in it. Be smooth. Don't panic. I know you feel like you want to panic, because I want to too. But I have to relax through the pain and the suffering. It's part of life. Find a happy place, be the eye in the metabolic storm. You feel it, no one else has to know. You feel it. They don't have to know. Do they have to know? Do I have to know? No. Do you? No. It's like this guy could change society.
Rest.
With his innovative approaches to supplementation, his unique animal-like behaviors. Just gonna do a couple shrugs here while I rest. Let's finish it off with some push presses.
Work.
Slow eccentric. Powered up. Slow it down, come close, let's finish up. Let's finish up. Come on, baby. Oh, I'm gonna put 2 pieces of pizza up my ass after this workout. Okay, this is it. Been with you for 8 years. Changed my life, but now we're done. I love that. It's like I've been following you forever, but the one thing you said, no. Now we're done professionally. Work through it.
Rest.
Oh, keep it slow. Keep it slow. Come on.
Session complete.